What's up guys, Luke here from the Gamers Buzzed, here to show you how to make simple modifications to Minecraft without any Java knowledge. Now that is a mouthful. Basically you're going to need Notepad++ in the description, MCP, you should already have that if you watched the previous videos, and you're going to first open up MCP. So now that I've opened that up, we're going to decompile it, but I've already decompiled it because that always takes a while and I always have to pause the video, and I gotta calm down. Okay, so open up sources, you should know this by already. And Minecraft, and Net, and Minecraft, and SRC. So, we're going to first open up block bookshelf. It's a Java file. So open that up with Notepad++. And you are going to notice, here let me do something. Okay, you're going to notice public int quantity dropped random. Change that to 1, right where it says return, and then 1. This will make it so bookshelves will now drop bookshelves instead of nothing. That's pretty easy modification. This is just basically to try and get you into understanding how easy this can be and kind of, I don't know, bring up your self-esteem about modding. So, open up block glass, that's another one that does not drop anything, and find the same public int quantity dropped random, and then return, and then we're going to make that 1. Easy, as always. And let's see what another one is. Just an easier one that requires a little bit more than just changing an integer. So block stone. Let's open up that. Scroll down to where it says, or you don't really need to scroll, but anyway, public int id dropped, and then parentheses int I comma, and then random, and then in parentheses. And so go to return block, and then just get rid of cobble. This will make it so whenever you break stone, you get stone in return. So let's save that. And let's see what another one is. Something easy. This is what it is. It's really easy. You'll get used to it. And let's see. We'll go to Entity Creeper. That's up here. So Entity Creeper is a Java file. So open that up. And let's see. Something we can modify. Let me see. Oh, here's one. If entity instant of entity skeleton change, let me see. Drop item dot record 13 dot shifted index plus ran dot next int. It's a mouthful, but anyway, let's change that to entity player. So now you get, whenever you kill a creeper, you'll also get a record, which is really good. Let me see. Another one, maybe. Entity player. Let's find that. Where did that go? Entity player. Not entity player SP, but entity player. And change that to, let's see, what are we going to change? We'll change our health. You see where health is? Let's go to entity, or not entity, what am I saying? Health equals 200. Just, I like, no. I like a lot of HP, but I'll just make it 2. Something easy to die. And fire resistance equals 1000. No, 1000. I don't know why I went crazy with that. And wake up player. So this is if you've ever had a nightmare when you're sleeping. I'm gonna make that false and false, so I never have a nightmare. And wake up player equals true, I think. That's for multiplayer, so you'll always get a nightmare in multiplayer. I think that's what it is anyway. I'm not really sure with this class because I've never really modified it. This is my first time. So save that, and let's go on down to some other class. And if I'm going a little fast, where you can just tell me in the comment section, and I can slow down my tutorials. But I'm really going to go on fast for this because it's really easy modifications. What's wrong? Why did it freeze? Whoa, okay. That was weird. My computer just needed to catch up. And we'll go down, or no, we'll find something. Let's see. Let me see, something else we can find and change. Something else. How about let's change entity zombie and ignore the sounds, because unless you have a sound file that you'd want to change, then change it to that. But go down to protected int, get drop item id, and then parentheses, and then parentheses. Down at return item.feather.shifted index semicolon. Let's change that to item.saddle. Now that's an easy way to get a saddle. Easy modification. It's really easy. Let me see. We'll go to item. What are we going to change in the item section? Well, item sword. We'll see what this does. I am sorry about that. My brother just walked out and started to do a bunch of sit-ups. And so, we're back. I really noticed while I was looking at that, there's nothing really you're ready to modify. Don't take that the wrong way, but there's nothing you're ready to modify, because it's all really in Java. So we'll go on down, or go up, or go down. We'll find something else to modify before we end the video. And so let me see. Entity sheet. No, we won't change that because there's nothing really to change. I got an idea. Let's change block obsidian. Sorry, I'm kind of sick, so let's go on. Or I've never really liked how obsidian takes forever to break, so we're just gonna make it worth your while and change that to 4. So every time you break obsidian, you get 4. It's just something to work towards. And let me see. What else should I show you? There's nothing really else to do, really. I don't know why. Or I do know why. Basically, I've showed you that you can open up these files, make easy modifications, and do what you want, basically. You can, if you just look in these files, and there's English somewhere in this, trust me, there's English that you can modify. Just as an example, quantity dropped 1 and then 2. That's easy to modify. So let me see. Another example would be maybe block soil and render as normal block. So do you want it to render normally? We'll just put that as true. Just as a little bit of fun. And let me see. See, there's just normal English in this. Really, you can make modifications. And I'm just going to recompile this, all the modifications we have done, and after we're done recompiling it, I'll test the game. So, compiling Minecraft. It normally doesn't take that long to compile, so, or recompile, I should say. So, it recompiled successfully. So we'll go on down to. Dang it! It did that thing again. I'll pause the video once. Okay, never mind. So we'll test the game. And since my computer can't really run Minecraft, oops, that's really loud. It's loud for me. I don't think you can hear it because I didn't plan on going in game. But anyway, we'll start a new world and just name it new. And my computer can't really run in Minecraft. It really, I don't know what it does to it, but it messes up my controls. It does everything all weird. So I'm going to pause the video, and when I get everything ready to show you what we all modified, I'll resume it. I'm sorry, I just thought that maybe I should fast forward this, but just as an example to show you that I'm not lying. You see, it like really messes it up. It's like if you hit the F8 key, it just goes all weird, and I don't understand it. Anyway, so I'll fast forward through all this really fast, and so here we go. I'll see you soon. pause it. Never mind. What am I thinking? I can't fast forward through it because I can't play while doing this. So I'm just going to pause the video and get everything already again. I'm sorry. So here is one. When we break stone, we get stone. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Go down, go down. No, yeah. Okay. And voila, stone, as you can see. And I'm a failure. I'm sorry. Turns out, since we made it so it drops stone, and a furnace is crafted with cobblestone, we can't really obtain cobblestone, so everything we did for the glass, it's a no-go now. But I tested everything. Everything seems to be working, although everything you modified. And so, there goes a really simple tutorial. Next tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make your own item. So, look forward to that. And it'll be before Monday. So, look forward to that too.